having this surgery, it's changed everything. It has truly changed my life. Hi, my name is Linda Dwyer, and I had a total knee replacement with Dr. Clegg about 8 months ago. I had had so much pain prior to having my knee replacement. It was affecting my everyday life, and I'm able to do things now that I haven't been able to do for many years. I'm feeling really good. I would say the biggest benefit that I've had since I've had my surgery is just to be able to function every day without pain. Prior to the surgery, I was thinking about every step that I took. I was concerned about stepping off of a curb or picking up my grandchild, or just getting out of my vehicle was an issue. I drive a truck, and it was really an issue. Sitting in a passenger seat trying to step out was hard. I had started giving up a lot of the things in my life that I truly enjoyed. And I play tennis, and I play golf, and I ride horses, and I was not able to do any of those anymore without pain. And the pain had progressed so greatly that just sleeping at night, turning over in bed had become an issue. And it wasn't just affecting my life, it was affecting my husband and my family. And the biggest thing that impressed me with Dr. Clegg is when I spoke with him, he wanted to know about my life, what my expectations were from my surgery, what I wanted to do. And I told him I want to run. And he said, well, how far? And now I'm playing good tennis, and I can run without thinking about it. We were walking on the beach, and I just couldn't resist. I started running, and I had not ran in over 30 years. And I used to be a runner, and it was just so good to feel that freedom and be able to do that again. I'm beginning to run more and more and not feel like I need to stop or be concerned about it. It's made my life better and my family's life better, and I'm very grateful.